I have known a Korean Christian couple more than 20 years. They were very prayerful and sincere. They prayed for financial blessings for a long time. And finally, at some point, they took out bank loans and bought an apartment and more than 10 offices and a big factory and land. Outwardly, they were wealthy people who owned a lot of real estate. And their friends praised them as successful Christians. But in 2021, I said what the Lord had said to me. Now, Korea is going through a hard time economically. So people must pay off the bank's loan debt and live a simple life. Otherwise, they will be in big trouble. When I said this, they smiled, but I knew they will not listen to me and will live what they think is right. In their eyes, I was not a rich pastor. Probably they said to themselves, "Pastor, you are not a successful businessman, nor a rich pastor. We are richer than you. Do you think you can give us financial advice?" Soon after that, the interest rate of the banks became very high, and those who took out a lot of bank loans were in great trouble. Some even committed suicide. I know, obviously, they have to pay tens of thousands of dollars every month. When I delivered the message of God to them in December 2021, the Korean real estate market had already begun to decline tremendously. Nevertheless, if they had sold those units and factories and paid off their debts, they would not now be overwhelmed with enormous debt. But it's too late now. There's no one to buy their property. They were very loyal churchgoers, but they lacked understanding the times of God. They believed God would prosper believers, but they didn't know how to manage it flexibly. People often think believing in God is simply a spiritual act, but you don't live on clouds floating in the sky. You live in this world, and you need practical wisdom from the Lord. Pray for it. God bless you.